Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are in the UK and want to watch Disney Plus Hotstar, you might have noticed that it is not available directly due to the regional restrictions. But don't worry, here are some of the safest ways that you can access it. So first of all, you need to have a trusted VPN that lets you change your location. So you can download any of the trusted VPNs. It can be NordVPN, ExpressVPN or Surfshark. Anyone that provides you Indian server. Now once you have the VPN, you need to simply just open it and connect to the Indian server. After that, you can use a web browser in your PC or in your laptop and search for hotstar.com, or you can even open the Hotstar application if you have it. You should now see the full Indian Hotstar content library just like this one, including the shows, sports and movies. So if you don't already have an account, you need to have to sign up for the account and pay using the international card, or you can even ask a friend who lives in India to help you with the setup. Make sure to keep your VPN running while watching the content, and avoid any free VPNs as well because they might be slow or unreliable. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel and enjoy streaming Hotstar from anywhere. Thanks for watching.